My client hated the color of her Formica countertop, and she asked me if we could change it. Of course. First, we sanded the countertop very well, cleaned it and rinsed it twice, then prepped the area, taped everything off, and then we started using Meteore. I'll have the description information in the link below. Using a couple of different knives. This one is a plastic one, and then I used a putty metal one, and my finger for rounded surfaces. We applied the first coat of Meteore. Once the first coat was applied, we let it dry overnight. Then it can be sanded lightly to take down any high ridges. It is a very hard product, so it takes a bit of doing, but it can be sanded lightly. And then we put a second coat on. Again, the second coat will dry overnight. Then we remove the tape. Score it with a blade. Sand any edges that you don't like. And for very high, stubborn edges, you can actually use your blade. You want to be careful when you're sanding, not to sand too far. You don't want to get down to the original countertop color. There is a texture with this, but you can apply it very flat, so there is virtually no texture. I wanted a bit of texture on this particular countertop. It'll get 2 clear coats over the top, which is going to smooth everything out. Next, you need to take all of the dust from the sanding off. You need to get all of the dust off, so I'd recommend actually vacuuming it. Now you're ready for the clear coat. Tape everything off again very well. Put plastic around your sink. Using a 2-part product that's a clear coat that is water resistant. This whole system can actually be used on your shower walls. It's extremely durable. This is going to get 2 coats. So this is another, I believe it's an hour or 2 in between coats. So I cut in first, and then I rolled randomly with a foam roller. If there's any kind of dust or imperfections, you need to make sure those are out of there, because this is going to be the final product. So we'll be doing this in a dust-free environment if possible. This is the final product. It's beautiful and extremely durable. The last step is to caulk the sink with white caulk and the back splash. Final product, beautiful.